Hello, my dear children and parents. Welcome to class 7th of Indus Valley Public School, Raj, where we were doing lesson number 3, Gopal and the Hills of Fish. My dear children, in this lesson we have seen some characters like Gopal, Gopal's wife, king and the courtiers. So Gopal was the intelligent person, he was the wit of the palace. He was the wit of the king's palace. Then the Gopal wife was there, king was there, and some of the people were present in the king's palace. They were the courtiers. And one most important character, the Hilsa fish. But that Hilsa fish did not do anything, so we have not taken into the consideration the character Hilsa fish, because whole story revolves around the Hilsa fish. So in this chapter we have studied about what we have studied. We have studied about the Hilsa fish. Everyone was talking about the Hilsa fish. Why? Because it was the season of Hilsa fish. Then king was fed up, so he has given the order in the court. And what was the order? Order was that to stop the talk of Hilsa fish. Then he had thrown a challenge, and the challenge was that, and this challenge was given to one of the courtier, that is Gopal. And what was the challenge? Challenge was that Gopal had to stop the talk of Hilsa fish only for the 5 minutes. So what do you think, whether he accepted that challenge or not? Yes, Gopal has accepted the challenge. So what were the preparation he made? So in order to prove himself wit, in order to prove himself clever, in order to prove himself intelligent, he started doing preparation. Now what kind of preparation he did? He did 3 things. What 3 things? He half shaven his face, he put ash on his face, and then he wore torn dress. Okay, so these all were the things that he made himself before he went to purchase the Hilsa fish. Now when he was on the road, what are the people's reaction were? Different reactions were there. Somebody was saying that he is mad, some were saying that he is mystic, somebody was telling he is comical. So too many different kinds of reactions were coming for Gopal. Okay, now so when he purchased, so in that time when he was on the road, nobody was bothered about Hilsa fish. Nobody looked at the Hilsa fish. Everybody was talking about what? Everybody was talking about the Gopal's new weird look. Okay, everywhere the talk of Gopal's new look was there. Okay, now he went to the king's palace. Now what happened in the king's palace? So there everybody did not give him the entry in the palace. So there were courtiers, there were the guard of the palace. They stopped him there and asked not to enter the palace. Now nobody asked about Hilsa fish in the palace also. So courtiers' reaction about Gopal was that everybody was looking at Gopal in a very weird manner. Everybody was saying, what kind of appearance this Gopal is having? Why everybody is looking at Gopal's appearance? Because he was half shaven, he has smeared his face with the ash, and he was wearing very torn clothes. He was dressed up in a disgraceful manner. Then what happened? But nobody remembered why he had done all this thing. Even king forgot his challenge, that the challenge given to Gopal. So what happened? Then Gopal reminded the king about his challenge, and Gopal asked the king to observe something. Let's see, nobody is talking about Hilsa fish, everybody is talking about me. And then the king started laughing, and he congratulated Gopal for accepting the challenge and to prove that he is a clever person. Who is a clever person? Gopal is a clever person. So this is what we have studied in the story Gopal and the Hilsa fish. Okay children, in the previous video we have discussed about the story, we have discussed about the summary, and now in this video we are going to write down the question answers of the lesson. So everybody will complete the question answers, and there are some of the homework that you will do it. So coming to the first question. First question is, why did the king want no more talk about the Hilsa fish. So why he did not want? So king was fed up of the talks of Hilsa fish because it was a season of Hilsa fish and everyone was busy in talking about it. Moreover, he did not want his courtier to waste his time on these talks. Okay. So why king did not want there should be any talk? Because it was the season of Hilsa fish and everyone was talking about Hilsa fish. He was fed up of listening about the Hilsa fish continuously, and he did not want his courtiers should waste their time in talking all these things. They should do some creative work. Okay, got the answer? Now coming to the next question, question number 2. What did the king ask Gopal to do to prove that he was clever? So what he did? The king asked Gopal to buy a fish. Which fish? Hilsa fish. And bring it to the palace. And no one should be asking anything about the Hilsa fish throughout the way to prove that he was clever. Got the answer? So what king asked? King asked Gopal to purchase the fish and then he will come along with the fish to the palace and nobody will talk about Hilsa fish while he is coming to the palace. So whole way he will be coming there and nobody should talk about the Hilsa fish. So this was the challenge given by king to the Gopal. Sorry, given to Gopal. Question number 3. What 3 things did Gopal do before he went to buy his Hilsa fish? So कौन सी 3 चीजें की थी उसने? Gopal half shaved his beard, okay, then smeared his face with ash and wore disgraceful rags before he went to buy his Hilsa fish. So 3 things: smeared with ash, half shaven and wore disgraceful dress. Next question. How did Gopal get inside the palace to see the king after he had bought the fish? So now how he get because the guard stopped him to enter the palace. So what all things he did? Let's see. When Gopal asked the guards to let him meet the king, they refused. Therefore, he began to dance and sing loudly. On hearing his loud song, the king sent his messenger to call him in the court. Next question. Explain why no one seemed to be interested in talking about the Hilsa fish which Gopal had bought. Gopal's funny appearance attracted the attention of the people much more than the Hilsa fish. At that time, no one was caring about the Hilsa fish. He was caring. Everyone was busy in talking about his mad appearance, half-shaved face and rags. What is the rags? His weird dressing sense. Now coming to the next question, where you have to write true or false against each of the following sentences. So you are provided with some of the sentences and you have to tell whether these sentences are true or false. Like first one, the king lost his temper easily. So true or false? Gopal was a madman. Third one, Gopal was a clever man. Gopal was too poor to afford decent clothes. The king got angry when he was shown to be wrong. Okay, so these are the 5 questions where you have to write true or false. Then your last thing is there. Find out the meanings of the following words by looking them up in the dictionary. Then use them in sentence of your own. So my dear children, I have provided you with the meanings, but sentence you are going to make by yourself. So first word is challenge. That means ask to contest, dare. Okay. Then mystic, believing in a spiritual power. Comical, funny. Courtier, officials of the king's court. Smearing, to apply coat or mark. Fine. So these are the words. I have provided you the meaning, but you will write your own sentences. So everybody's sentences will be different. Now a homework is provided to you. See what is it? Complete the following letter with the help of the clues given. So this is your puzzle. Okay, this is your letter and clues are given. Like first one, mother will be very dash if you don't go to school. So first one, it is here, C is the first one and S, it will be ending. A word that will start with C and end with S. So by using these clues, you have to fill this letter. Like second clue is that as soon as he caught dash of the teachers, Mohan started writing. How do you like my dash kitchen garden? Big enough for you, is it? My youngest sister is now a dash old. So you have to fill what should be there. Fifth clue, standing on the dash, he saw children playing on the road. Sixth clue, don't make such a dash, nothing will happen. Seventh one, don't cross dash till the red light comes on. So these are the 7 clues, and on the basis of these 7 clues, you are going to fill this letter. Okay, children? So complete your work, send me your work, and enjoy yourself. Take care. Bye bye. Thank you so much.